All right, we are back here at SeaVee. Woo! It looks bigger with the T-top, yeah. This is our 32B, which will be our bait boat. And you can see they've got this test pool. That way you don't have to tow the boat to the water, bring it back, and then figure it out. They can actually do everything right here in the factory. So that really gives them an advantage to kind of do all those QC checks and make sure everything's all good to go.
Yeah.
Oh, that's sick. So it's like gray instead of clear.
And they shortened it so you could see the units.
Yeah.
Because it was a little too tall. So as quality control is going through your boat right now, we're listening to
Post Malone
on your Ray Marine. Pretty much everything is done. Just going through the small little details right now. As you're seeing here. This is when they find the little issues, right? All the amp, stereo, electronics, everything is on. So we're going through the whole boat now. So when we sea trial this boat, that's one less thing that we have to do out. We can eliminate a lot of the punch list by doing this in the pool here. So yeah, I mean, you got a lot of wells here. Keep in mind, you got this well, you got your aft floor well, you got the two on the transom. I mean, so you got plenty of well at the above deck. So all of the sea chests, let's walk back there so you can see it. Remember last week when you were here, the sea chest, they were still buttoning up stuff. Everything is on, everything's working now. Your polycarbon closure is on. I don't know if you noticed that. Sick.
Attention to detail, Eddie. Attention to detail.
We try. From the hoses to the little lip.
We were just saying, it's pretty crazy that this is our bait boat. I mean, this right here is a badass boat.
That's a dream boat.
42, 32. There's a ton of room in the 32.
Tons of room.
Like this is like we talked about before, this is like the perfect boat for kind of a family, kind of getting into the water, like being out there, because you have the storage, you got all the stuff.
The entry level, even the professional level tournament guys that can't jump themselves into that thing.
Yeah.
This is a great tournament fishing boat. It's
the cool thing, I mean, dude, that thing's gonna be a rocket. 2 425 V10s on the back. Danny gonna be out there doing wheelies.
That will be the first 32B we've run with
really?
twin 425 V10s.
Yeah.
You're gonna use this boat quite a bit.
I'm gonna be driving this bitch around.
And
it's gonna be hard to not take that, honestly.
And then
it's like,
you got the big.
Why is it so big? That's the 32B. I'm just going ahead and say this is gonna be the baddest fishing center console in the world when it's done.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. See, he even said it. And he's seen a lot of boats come out of here. So you can see already how much bigger this boat is than the 32. I love how this is raised up.
The reason we do that is so when you're cruised back here, everybody can see over, you can still see the bow.
You know, we're fishing in very rough conditions sometimes. Right. And there's times where, you know, water's coming down through here, especially with all the live wells and stuff. Right. It's nice to be able to stand up here and not have to have your feet in the water.
Correct.
Pulling up to the dock and this. Got our kite box up there.
Your speaker pods on.
Look how fucking big this pipe is. I've seen some big pipe in my day. Eddie, I'm fired up, baby. Let's just go. Put it in the water right now. Let's go, boys.
You're almost there. You're there.
You're so close. Gemlux rod holders in there.
At the bottom of this gray also.
Yep.
So everything matches it.
Like I said, this is kind of a one-off for us. I came to SeaVee and I was like, look, I want to do this. I want to do this. I want to do this. And there was a couple times Eddie was like, we'll figure it out. But he never said no, but we got it done. So
we got it done.
I like that. That's the cool thing, because you guys could have been like, no, we don't do that. There's only one way you're going to get it, and that's how we're going to do it. But
it's hard to say no to you.
Well, I mean, it's just, there's little things that we like, right? There's things that I want. If I'm going to build a boat, I wanted like these little things, you know? Like when it's all done, it's got the wrap on it, it's got the bolsters, and we're heading out to go fishing. It's going to be one of the best looking boats out there.
When you have the R&R bait tubes here, we put a drain here for you. Water into the tubes, overflow into your forward live well. That's gonna dump so you have no water in the deck, okay? So we put a big overflow, so if you did do more than one, you have plenty of overflow so it doesn't go on the deck, okay?
Dude, just fucking, you put flat line,
right?
Gogs right there. Because that way, because you know, a lot of times Danny's up top and he sees he'll be like, sailfish, sailfish. It don't sound like much, but 20, 30 seconds is the difference between catching a fish and winning a tournament or losing a fish.
Right.
So,
and you also have it aft. So then from here, you could tee off and put one there, one here. And the overflow don't matter. So you have right here in the center, overflows will come out. So you can put your R&R tubes back here. This guy came in, it was originally done in white. We ended up, you know, obviously changing it to grays. This is the first time we ever build a panel that we have so many switches because you have so many pumps, so much stuff going on. But everything is already wired, everything is plumbed.
So we're basically gonna have controls for all the live wells right here, where in the past, on a lot of the other boats, you have to basically walk around, go up there, figure out what button. But if you're sitting here and Danny yells down and goes, hey, switch the pump, it's just bang right there, ready to go. So having that whole channel there, if we can avoid having water on the deck, it just makes fishing that much more enjoyable.
No, you didn't see this before. Doors are on, everything is in. So that's
that's all empty. Storage, put all of our life jackets and crap in there.
Correct. That's going to be a door so you could access there. This has a lift up seat so you can access all this storage here.
Sick.
So you'll be able to put your leads, tackle boxes, everything in here.
Put deep drop and right there.
Right, by lifting up the seat there.
We got the big Raymarine screen right there. It's kind of nice because you can look and see what the depth is and stuff. So let's say if we get a bite, kind of for us, it's nice to be able to see it. So that's basically all of our live wells will be plugged in here. Ding, 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 ding. The Boca Tech, super clean. Fired up right here, Eddie. This is it right here. You know, because I haven't had a boat since like May of this year.
Got the flat boat though.
Yeah, but like it ain't a SeaVee. You know? You see what I did there? You see what I did there? It ain't a SeaVee.
So over here, you got the back of your MFT here. Everything is rigged here, and they're just tightening up the card readers and stuff. So you got your vertical and your horizontal.
There's a lot of room in here.
All your fuel controls are here. Yeah. This is going to be more plano boxes, and here's kite. Once it tidies up, then it starts throwing all the stuff in there. Batteries for the gyro. You got half batteries here. Those are all lithium ion. This is a catch-all. Say you run into the islands.
Yep.
You got all your bags. You know how all the bags end up. You just put that up to hold all the bags.
Some people might look at this and be like, oh, it looks like very overbuilt. These boats, they're going to work. I told Eddie day one, I'm like, just go harder. Everything bigger, everything. It looks luxury, but it's also, there's little secret heavy duty build to it. All these little things just make fishing that much better, right? Having a cooler up here, it's nice because then it's like everything can just be in there. Basically put your kites there, put all the extra kite rigging in there on those planos. It's been a really cool experience just to kind of come see the boat. You guys saw they were literally doing fiberglass in the mold, building out the core. We saw the hole come out, we saw the top cap, we saw it all go together. We've pretty much seen every little step of the process here.
I just don't want you to look back and see how small that little guy is.
Oh God, why is it so small, Eddie? This is the first time we are seeing the Gemlux Gulfstream outriggers. These things are massive. Yeah, this is all custom built.
He releases that pin up there and then this whole thing comes out. Just look at the construction with our team and Gemlux.
I mean, this was all custom engineered.
And not that you didn't have enough speakers, but just to add in.
Well, I saw you added 2 up there for Danny. He likes those ones.
And this, because these are the tower. So you got these coming on the cockpit. You got those.
So what you're saying is they're gonna hear us at the sandbar.
They're gonna hear you and see you with all the damn Lumitech lighting you got going on this thing. Engineering and our electricians called me yesterday. They're like, okay, so we got a problem here. He has 1 million underwater lights. How do you want me to wire them? Aft and down.
Lumitech said, how many do you want? I said, how many can we get? And they said, normally people put like 4, and we're like, 8 would be good. We got the Pompano Boat Parade coming up. Gonna do a Winter Wonderland. I got like 10 girls dressed up like little elves. Captain D driving. You got 2nd place last year. They were like, you should have won, but the other boat was just a little bit bigger than yours. So I was like, hold my beer. Let me call SeaVee real quick. I know you guys have been cranking. The whole team here at SeaVee been working day and night to get the boat done for us for our first tournament in December. Now it's time for Danny to deliver those tournament wins. So we got the boat that can do it. That's for sure. That's a wrap.